Now that we all can agree to the fact that Deriv Synthetic Indices is now available on TradingView, there are some important things that we need to talk about, but a lot of people are not, highlighting those things. So today, I feel like as your best friend, I want to share that with you so that you begin to know some things you need to do on the charts as you are on the TradingView application, right? So this is Volatility 25 index over here. By the way, let me just use Volatility 75. So I'm going to just type Volatility, all right, underscore. So I want 75. I'm going to select 75 and I'm going to use it to show you exactly what I want you to learn from this video. Now in this video, I want you to learn at least two things. One is that you can set alerts on TradingView using Deriv assets, such that if the price moves to a certain level, you'll be notified instead of you to wait and even miss your entries. Especially those of you who uses very good sniper entries, you really need these alerts to help you so that you don't miss your trades. Now enough of the talking, let me show you exactly how you can do it. Very simple. So this is the Volatility 75 asset over here right now. If you want to set the alert, you can just come to the alerts, option over here, the button over here. When you click on it, just tap on the plus sign over here. Now, as this menu pop up, wherever you want to set the alert, just locate the price. You can see if I'm moving the mouse pointer, you see there's to the left, to the right side over here, you will see the numbers indicated over there. Those numbers, they are the price levels, right? So let's assume I'm trying to put the alert over here such that if price crosses it, then the alert should trigger. So I'm going to just look at this and get the number of it. So the number is 34254.72. So 34254.72. So I can just tap on create alert. All right. Now, if I tap on that, you can see it has been added over here. Very simple. All right. That's it. Volatility. You can see now price is crossing that level, and now you can see that it is making noise over here. All right. It has appeared over here. If you are on your mobile phone, you will see the notification on your mobile phone as well, and that is going to alert you to let you know that what price is reaching your target, your level, and you quickly have to go to the chart and take action. If you are going to execute the trade from there, you execute the trade. So this is the alert button over here. You can see as it's indicated over here. When we go further, I will show you more about how to set the alert into details. For now, I just want to let you know that what the alerts option is available for you to use on TradingView. As far as Deriv assets are concerned, either boom, step index, jump, or so ever, range break, you have all those assets on TradingView right now. Now let me show you one interesting thing that you probably did not know about. Yeah, I'll just show you a snippet of it, and I think at the right time we will go into details of it. So when you come to this option where we have trade with your broker, the trade button over here on TradingView, when you tap on it, you begin to see a lot of brokers over here. Let me close this and this. If for you, you may not see Deriv over here, you may see it at the bottom. All right, but me, I made it my favorite, so that's how come it is here. I just turn this one, so now I'm favorite it, so it is at the bottom right here, but I made it favorite, so it's here. Now if you click on it, you will be prompted to connect your already Deriv account, the Deriv account you have already. You will just have to connect it to it, so you have to log in when this page open. I believe you are following me. I want to take my time to explain everything to you so that you understand it very, very well. So on this page, you are going to log into your Deriv account. Once you log into your Deriv account, you have access to your Deriv accounts on your TradingView. So it means you can typically take trade directly on TradingView. It's as simple as that. I believe you can hear that noise. That's the alert still working. because of how I set it. I set it to if it's crossing up or down, yeah, the alert should ring. That's for just educational purpose. But when it comes to setting alerts into details, there are some specific things you need to work on depending on how your trading system is here. So yeah, what I just explained to you is very simple. You can set alerts, and the second one is you can trade directly on TradingView using your Deriv account. Since Deriv broker is now accepted on TradingView, you can use it to trade directly. Guys, there is no better time to start trading synthetic indices than this one. So just make sure you start trading synthetic indices today. And yes, check the video description. There's a link over there. Use it to create an account with Deriv. And yes, you are going to enjoy whatever Deriv have for you. All right. If there's any other thing that you would like to know, don't forget to leave a comment below, and I'll gladly read it and provide you with solution to whatever that you need. I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.